Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to hard reset Amazon Fire. As you can see, Amazon Fire, that's the device model. So let's switch it off. So once off, guys, all you do is press the volume button down, as you can see, hold it, and then power button together, hold it together, only them two. I'm not holding the volume button up, just volume button down and a power button, hold it together. And once you see the logo, Amazon's logo, let go, two of them, and just hold on. As you can see, it's gone to Amazon system recovery, and now we have to do is use your volume button up and down. So use up, volume down, and volume button up to control it to go down and up and down. So let's go. So where you want to go to is, as you can see, wipe data factory reset. So you have to click on that. Once you click on it, press the power button to confirm it. Once you confirm it, guys, you will lose all your data. I'll repeat, you will lose everything. That's included all the Amazon, all the stuff you buy from this Amazon store that you purchased. So make sure you're certain to do this before you go ahead with it. So I'm not ready yet, but I showed you guys. So once again, volume button down, hold it, and then power button together. And then when you see the Amazon logo, you let go two of them buttons. That's it. And also I want to show you one other thing you guys been requesting. I'm going to show you how to deregister in case you want to sell it or you give it to another family member, so all your details are no longer there once you can get in on your tablet. So we do go to settings. Let me bring it close to you guys so you can see clearly. Click on settings, go to my account. As you can see, I don't know if it's clear enough. As you can see, deregister, you click on deregister. Once you click on it, again I'll repeat, everything that you downloaded or anything that you purchased, all the items from Amazon store, you will lose it. As you can see, it's written there anyway, guys. So once you're sure certain, you click on deregister. I'm not ready yet, but that's it, guys. I hope you find this helpful. If you need anything else you want to know or anything, just put comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Thank you.